everyone, welcome to Living It Country. I'm Holly and welcome to the spring edition of Farmhouse Home Tour Series. I absolutely love sharing this home tour series with you all in hopes that it can give you guys inspiration for DIY projects, maybe to get some thrifty finds in your home, or maybe even just some styling ideas. I hope this video series can inspire you all to create a home that you love for you and your family. A big thank you to Crates and Pallet for sponsoring the Farmhouse Home Tour Series. Crates and Pallets' forged steel brackets are a super easy DIY project that can add, with a simple piece of wood, a beautiful farmhouse look. I'm going to link in the card section right above here our install process of how we accomplished this look into our home, as well as put a link down in the description box below where you guys can check out Crates and Pallets' brackets on Home Depot's website. Big thank you to Crates and Pallet. They're actually going to be hosting a giveaway here, so make sure you watch all 13 home tours the whole month of April and comment on each of them your favorite part of the home tour. That will be your ticket in to win 2 Crates and Pallet crates, as well as 4 of the Crates and Pallet brackets, so you guys can make farmhouse shelves in your own home too. Today we have Jennifer from Forever Young Farmhouse here today, and I'm so thrilled. Just like me, she has a builder grade home that she has turned into a modern farmhouse. So thrilled. She has really budget decor ideas as well as DIYs. You are gonna love her. I have a link to her Instagram account down below so you guys can go give her a follow for more inspiration. So let's go ahead and welcome Jennifer here today and go tour her home.
Hi everyone, my name is Jen. You can find me at Forever Young Farmhouse on Instagram. I just want to say thank you so much to Holly and these other amazing women for letting me join them on this spring farmhouse tour. It means the world to me. And just so you know, my style is modern farmhouse, so I like to bring in old antique pieces and mix them with new pieces of furniture or new pieces of decor. I also love DIY projects. It's my passion. I love learning how to use new tools, learning how to do things I've never done before, all to save money. That is like my big thing. Must save the money by any means. So I hope you guys love the tour. We've kept it simple this spring because we are all at home and we are all trying to coexist together right now. But I hope you love it. So here goes nothing. Welcome to our home. This is a builder grade home that we purchased new. We've made a lot of changes to our house in a small amount of time. This is plywood shiplap, and we added this last month. We also made this bench out of a Jenny Lynn bed and turned it into a cute little entryway bench. And the rug is from IKEA. All of our walls were builder beige, including our ceilings, and we had someone come in before we moved in and spray it all repost gray from Sherwin-Williams and trim out the ceilings in white. So this is our entryway. And across from our entryway is our dining room. We got very lucky with a very large dining room. So we bought a table from Pier 1. This table's from Pier 1. The chairs actually came with another table that we had, and so we got really lucky with that they matched. And we love this table. You can see the wood grain on it. It's really pretty. It's like a whitewashed table. And I love this rug. This rug is from Boutique Rugs. I love all their rugs. And then we just put a little bit of spring flair in here with the Easter eggs. This was the first piece of furniture that I ever refinished. It was a dresser for a bedroom, and we turned it into a buffet. And we just used chalk paint, and it turned out beyond my expectations. I love the top that we did on it. We just stripped it and sanded it and stained it. It was really good. I love to put, this sign came from Smallwood Home. I love to put things in the corner. I love antiques, and I scatter them out throughout my house. I love new things too. Those peonies came from Amazon. I love them. They're so pretty and antique looking. But I also have these mirrors over here that are just in the corner. I took them down from our mantle just recently, and I love that they sit there and they're like decor, just there. This is our little science experiment area. We've made little terrariums over there to see their little seeds grow. And then this is also an antique collection that I have of brass candlesticks. So moving on, this is our powder room. This is real life. This room is going to get a major upgrade this year. We are gonna do shiplap in here. We are gonna take this builder grade sink out and put in a new one. We're gonna take this mirror down and that light fixture down. This little, let's see if I can show you this. This is from Hobby Lobby. And I love that it fits so nicely in this corner. This sign is from Amy at Pine Grove Market. I love her signs and I love her sense of humor. We have 2 small kids, so all of these signs in here, this is from another maker, but all of these signs crack me up. And I got those 2 signs right there from Hobby Lobby. And I have 2 candle lines that I purchase all the time. This one is Neat and Navy Blue, which is my all-time favorite, hands down candle. McKenna is amazing. She's on Instagram as Neat and Navy Blue. She hand pours, and it's all soy wax candles, and the smells are amazing. I'm still burning Winter Farmhouse, as you can see. It's so good. And this is why we purchased this floor plan. It is an open concept floor plan, and this is exactly what we wanted. We lived in an apartment for 11 years in Los Angeles, and we needed some space with no walls. So this was perfect for us and our family. The cabinets when we bought this house, they were brown, just brown builder cabinets. So we had our painters spray them alabaster and Sherwin-Williams, and we put up that Subway backsplash. And the island, we had them paint Embracing Blue, also by Sherwin-Williams. This is our messy, like message center. This is where we keep all of our schoolwork, our bills. April has been canceled, as you can see, but usually that calendar is full. We got this calendar from Hobby Lobby and I love it, but it's usually full, but not anymore, not for now. We got this pantry door from Scott's Antiques here in Georgia, and I love this door so much. It is rustic and chippy and so beautiful. And this is our pantry. Our pantry is a disaster, just know that, real life. But I wanted to show you, I made a sign to go in here, a little pantry sign, and we hung this light from Amazon. It's a little farmhouse light, which gives it character in here. Our pantry's a disaster. These are the original countertops that came with the house, and they worked really well with the alabaster cabinets. And this is our coffee bar. I change this out every season, pretty much. It's fun to change it out with the seasons, especially at Christmas and Valentine's Day. And this little rack over here that's on the cabinet came from IKEA, and I love the copper pans and the cutting boards hanging there. It gives it such texture and character. This is an old filing cabinet that all I did was take Rust-Oleum spray paint and spray paint it Hunter Green and spray painted the hardware gold. I love it. My friend Kim at Kim Possible made this beautiful wood stand. And this is my other second favorite candle line, Antique Candle Co. And this is Erin at Cotton Stems Fragrance Country Pear. I love Crocs. So here's what I'm talking about antiques being spread through the house. This is an old spindle, and we have an old crock up here. The clock is from Hobby Lobby. And normally I would have really colorful pillows in here, throw pillows, but we can't go to the store. So it's very neutral in here at the moment. This coffee table is one of my favorite pieces in here. It came from Marshall's. I love the wood color on it. Same for that side table. Came from Marshall's as well, as did that chair. We absolutely redid this fireplace. We first started by painting the tiles. It had ceramic tiles, and it didn't do it for me. So we did faux brick. That's faux brick around the fireplace. We left the mantle and added a box to the top of it. My dad made that mantle box, and it's gorgeous. My husband and I shiplapped it with my dad's help, and I love that print that's up there. It's perfect for spring. We're trying to do like a little bit of a neutral spring design, and it's from Piper Classics. Here's an up close look at the spring mantle. Those tulips came from Amazon, and they are amazing. They feel like real tulips. And that bunny garland is just a quick DIY of a book and some cotton balls. And then I don't know if you guys know Carcaba Road, Jess over at Carcaba Road. She found a great hack for your TV. If you want your TV to look like art, just go to YouTube and search for art show. And then you can pause it on whatever piece you like, and it becomes an actual piece of art. So you're not looking at a black TV. So genius. This little antique radio, it actually works. I painted it and distressed it.
Keeping our team members and our customers safe is top
So
priority
awesome.
during
These
this
are the
uncertainty.
things that like
We're in
make
this
me
together.
happy.
When you call in, you may hear children or pets in the
I love it
background.
so
It's because
much.
our customer service
This was a
team-
fun project. And then over here we have Betty White. This is a set of lockers that I got off of Facebook Market. I got these lockers off of Facebook Marketplace. And I spray painted them white with Rust-Oleum spray paint, and the inserts we spray painted copper. And we made a little stand for it down at the bottom so it doesn't scratch our floor. And then I made this sign, this vintage flower market sign, to go on the top. Liz Marie Galvin made one of these blanket holders, and I thought that is such a genius idea. So I took an old baseboard and I did a DIY for this, which is on my Instagram page. And it said, now we have a blanket holder. This is real life. We have children. We have 2 kids, and there are toys in our life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this home tour. This is the first home tour I've ever done. And this is the first YouTube video that I've ever done. And thank you so much for coming to our home and letting us share this with you. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day.
Thank you all so much for watching the spring edition of the Farmhouse Home Tour series. I hope you guys got lots and lots of new ideas and inspiration for your home. Big thank you to all the ladies that have shared their beautiful homes, and a big thank you to Crates and Palette for sponsoring this video series. If you guys want to achieve a DIY farmhouse look in your home, I have linked down below their Crates and Palette brackets so you guys can get a beautiful shelf on a budget and an easy DIY. I'll see you guys later on Living in Country. Bye!